So hello guys, welcome back to the video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can create WhatsApp business account. So first of all, open the Play Store on an Android phone. If you are using iPhone, then open App Store. Now here tap on the search bar. Now search for WA Business. Now here install it. Now wait for a few minutes until the app gets installed. Now here tap on open. Now here tap on agree and continue. Now here you will see your number. Tap on use. Now here you'll have to enable photos and videos and music and audio. For this tap on settings. Tap on permissions. Now here select music and audio. Tap on allow. Go back. Now select photos and videos. Tap on always allow all. Now go back. Go back again. Go back again. Tap on use. Tap on continue. Tap on allow. Tap on allow again. Tap on allow all. Now this will verify your number. Wait for a few seconds. So now once you do this will set up your WhatsApp business account. So this way I can create WhatsApp business account. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe channel.